Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use maps on your Coros Pace 3. This fantastic watch provides excellent breadcrumb navigation, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. You'll learn how to load routes and follow them with ease, ensuring you always stay on track. We'll cover everything from preparing your route to understanding the on-screen guidance, making your next run or hike much more enjoyable and stress-free. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to get your desired route onto your Coros Pace 3. First, create or import a route within the Coros app on your smartphone. Once your route is ready in the app, simply sync it to your watch using the Bluetooth connection. This process usually takes just a few moments. Remember to always check your watch's battery level before heading out, especially for longer excursions, to ensure uninterrupted navigation. Once your route is loaded, navigating is straightforward. Start by selecting your preferred activity mode like run or trail run, then scroll down and choose the navigation option. From there, select your preloaded route from the list. Your Pace 3 will then display a clear breadcrumb trail on the screen, guiding you with directional arrows. Stay on the path, and the watch will alert you if you deviate too far. Your Coros Pace 3 offers several helpful map features. You can easily zoom in or out on the map using the digital dial to get a better view of your surroundings or the upcoming path. The watch also provides valuable elevation profiles and real-time ascent and descent data. For adventures in remote areas, always remember to download offline maps within the Coros app beforehand, ensuring you have navigation even without a phone signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.